DJI Avata 360 has started gaining serious attention following a wave of leaks suggesting a possible launch before the end of 2025. The leaked material points to a drone designed to blend immersive FPV flight with full 360-degree video capture, potentially marking a major shift in how FPV drones are used for cinematic and creative work. Early sightings of test units reportedly began in mid-2025, but interest intensified after detailed promotional-style renders were shared by a known industry leaker. The quality of these images suggests the product is well past early development and may be approaching an official reveal. At its core, DJI Avata 360 appears to focus on redefining FPV content creation. Unlike traditional 360 cameras that rely on dual fixed fisheye lenses, leaked information suggests DJI may be using a rotating gimbal-mounted camera system. If accurate, this would allow smoother, more natural 360-degree footage with reduced distortion and better stabilization during aggressive maneuvers. This approach could give pilots the ability to reframe shots after flight or dynamically adjust viewing angles mid-air, opening up new creative possibilities for cinematic and commercial projects. Quick disclaimer before we continue. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not selling or promoting this product. Everything here is based on public information and common warning signs of misleading marketing. Design-wise, the drone follows DJI's familiar aerodynamic styling, but with refinements aimed at high-speed agility and thermal efficiency. The leaked visuals show a compact yet muscular frame with updated motor placement and visible cooling vents. These changes suggest DJI may be targeting longer sustained performance without overheating, which is a common limitation in high-power FPV platforms. Improved propulsion and stabilization could also mean smoother handling during sharp dives, fast turns, and low-altitude flight. On the intelligence side, DJI is expected to expand its software and sensor capabilities. Rumored features include improved obstacle detection, enhanced horizon leveling, and more accurate low-altitude positioning. If implemented effectively, these systems could make the Avata 360 more accessible to newer pilots, while still offering the precision and responsiveness experienced FPV users expect. This balance between usability and performance has been a key differentiator for DJI's FPV lineup in the past. There are also rumors surrounding updates to DJI's goggles and controller ecosystem. Some reports suggest real-time 360-degree live previews and interface tools that allow pilots to monitor multiple perspectives while flying. This could simplify post-production workflows and make it easier to produce immersive content for VR platforms or panoramic video formats. DJI is also rumored to be developing smarter flight algorithms that adapt to wind conditions and automatically stabilize wide panoramic footage. One potential hurdle remains regulatory pressure. DJI continues to face scrutiny in certain regions, particularly in the United States, over data security and usage restrictions. If the Avata 360 follows the same trajectory as previous models, DJI may need to implement region-specific compliance features to ensure broader availability without limiting core functionality. Overall, DJI Avata 360 appears positioned as more than just another FPV drone. Based on current leaks, it looks like a full creative platform designed to merge immersive flying with flexible 360-degree filmmaking. If the final product aligns with what has surfaced so far, it could set a new benchmark for FPV drones and reshape how aerial content is captured. While everything remains unofficial until DJI confirms the details, the Avata 360 is already shaping up to be one of the company's most ambitious FPV projects to date.